Hey everyone, welcome back to the SoftStartHome FAQ Series. I'm Cassidy, your host, here today with Doug, the co-founder of SoftStartHome.
That's great, Cassidy. We're going to kind of break down all the questions we hear every week about how and when to use a SoftStart. So go ahead.
So if you're wondering whether you need a SoftStart, where does it go, what size do I get, this video is for you. So let's start off simple. When should somebody use a soft starter?
Well, that's a really good question. If you're running an air conditioner from anything like your power grid, or like a generator, or an inverter, or a solar battery backup, you should absolutely be using a soft starter.
Okay, so that means RV'ers, off-grid homeowners, and anybody who might experience a power outage, right?
Exactly, but even if you're on the grid, soft starts help because they reduce the stress on the compressor. They eliminate the light flicker. They help prevent breaker trips. So really it's useful anytime you want a smoother, more efficient startup for your AC.
Great. Okay, next, people are always asking, what soft start do I need for my setup?
Well, that's a good question. It depends on the size of your AC, which could be a 1 ton, a 2 ton, 3, 4, 5, 6. For home systems, it's usually based on tonnage. Our standard SoftStartHome model works for most systems up to 6 tons. For RVs, we recommend 1 SoftStart per AC unit, typically the SoftStartRV model.
Okay, and what if you're not sure what you have or what your tonnage is?
Sure, you can snap a photo of your AC's wiring diagram. It's right on your unit, and our team will help match the right product. No guesswork needed.
Okay, great. So once you've got your soft start, where do you actually install this thing? Like, where does it go?
So you install it directly inside the air conditioning unit, whether that's your home AC or an RV rooftop unit. It connects to the compressor and the capacitor terminals and usually mounts securely inside the housing. We include all of the installation things that you need.
Great. So that means it's not on the electrical panel, it's not on the generator, it's just straight into the AC unit itself.
Correct. That's where the startup happens. It happens in a quarter of a second, so we slow it down at least 70% in a quarter of a second.
Wow. Okay. So last question, where can you use a soft starter? I mean, are there specific types of equipment or certain environments that are really good for this?
Soft starters are great for any appliance with a big induction motor like an air conditioner. There are references for heat pumps. It could even be used on some well pumps, different brands for different products. You can use them in your home, in the RV, on boats, tiny homes, off-grid cameras, basically whenever you have a limited power.
Okay, so it seems like basically if your AC is kicking on with a loud thud, you probably want a soft start.
Yep, it's one of those upgrades that makes everything run smarter and more reliably, so we look forward to helping you out.
Great. Well, if this helped you understand where and when to use a soft start, you can hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment for us.
Right. If you do have additional questions we haven't answered, please drop it in the comments and we'll do our best to cover that for you. Thanks very much for your time and courtesy.
And if you're ready to get started, head to SoftStartHome.com or reach out to us for sizing help, installation questions, anything you need, our team has got you. Thanks, guys.
And don't forget to give us a like.
Yes, like and subscribe.